Class 2024, let's have this year's most outstanding student from Humanities and Social Sciences strand, Miss Brianna Luis A. Oca.
Sa napakaraming mikroponong niyakap ng aking mga palad, sa hindi mabilang na entabladong nagpakilala ng aking buong pagkatao bilang isang Cefizeno, sigurado ako, kailanman, walang hihigit sa mikroponong ngayon nagsisilbing tropeyo ng isang tagumpay na pilit na nagpupumiglas para isigaw ang mga salitang kukulbit sa tenga ng iyong pangunawa at sisiping sa nag-aalam nating mga diwa. At sa kalaunan ay mayabang nasasambiting bata, gising, hilos, pahuway, at padayon. Ito na ang simula ng panibagong pagsulong. A conquering and a triumphant afternoon to every successful Cefizeno. I salute the parents who have provided invaluable guidance, love, and support to these wonderful young individuals. To our honorable guest speaker, and to the people behind the success of every roaring cougar, our teachers and mentors. For 14 long years, my heart has thumped with a dream of having the chance to stand and speak in front of noble mentors, loving parents, and proud graduates. My parents are witnesses to that. They have witnessed a dream that is lit but repeatedly dimmed by heartaches, disappointments, and failures. Honestly speaking, minsan binitawan ko na po ang pangarap kong ito. Napagod at naisip na rin akong bumitaw na lang. I'm done with fighting to meet those standards and expectations. I'm done with saying my hellos and my highs to those unfamiliar circumstances. But just last year, I decided to start anew. I blissfully greeted that dream again and learned to embrace failures. And at this very moment, I have realized that our dreams are worth every ounce of heartache. After 14 years of battling the fear of failure, enduring unimaginable heartaches, and falling 7 times, I have managed to crawl and stand up 8. Tunay nga pala, kapag may pangarap ka, mahalaga na ibuhos mo lahat. Ibigay mo 100% mo. Because at the end of the day, no matter what happens, mananalo ka. With or without an award in life with flying colors. Cougars! True success is never defined by the number of wins you have achieved. It is always about the person you have become during the process. It is your will, your courage, and your fighting spirit that are essential. And as your fellow graduate, I congratulate all of you. I commend you for waking up every morning after a long and heavy breakdowns during those endless nights. I congratulate you for having the courage to stand up and prepare for school even after only having that 2 to 3 hours of sleep. I congratulate you for being strong and courageous enough to walk the path of overwhelming standards, expectations, and fears with your heads held high. And if no one else, if not even a single soul is proud of you, then I am giving you the chance and the opportunity to find your strength and boldly tell yourself, I am proud of you. Ladies and gentlemen, I stand here not as a symbol of my success. I speak here not only as the representation of Class 2024 o ang estudyanteng pinakamagaling, pinakamahusay, o pinakatalentado. Ako ay kumakatawan sa bawat isang mag-aaral na lumaban, nagsumikap at nagtiyaga para sumulong upang sa kalaunay matupad ang minimiting mga pangarap. At this point, this class of 2024 has its own stories to tell. Sa katotohanan, dapat nga lahat po kami dito ay may karapatang makapagsalita sa unahan at ikwento ang mga kwento ng pagsusumikap natin. So, I have gathered proud messages from Stephizenos answering the question, kung bibigyan ka ng pagkakataong makapagsalita sa graduation, anong sasabihin mo? Let us begin with one of many. From Christian Joseph Tabi, a Stephizen, an achiever. Today is not just about celebrating our academic achievements. It is also about honoring the friendships and the countless experiences that have enriched our lives. They are the true treasures of our journey, and they will continue to inspire and guide us in the years to come. From Kian Mercurio, a Stephizen, an achiever. This is no longer a dream. This is a reality. Indeed, my core glitters with the will to become the person I was meant to be. And truly, as a fruit of my tireless labor, hard work always pays off. From Ana Marie Sandoval, a Stephizen, an achiever. After years of self-doubt, I can finally say, I am proud of myself. From Kenzie Noel Rihano, a Stephizen, an achiever. It may sound so cliche, but this moment is never the end. It is just the beginning, and the rest is history. Hindi ko po akalain na kaya ko palang mag-perform at kumanta sa harap ng maraming tao ng ilang beses if not for Ma'am Apple. Kung ang ABS-CBN may Star Hunt at Direct Lauren Jogi, ako may isang teacher Apple sa Toya na nakadiscover at nakapagpaniwala sa akin na kaya ko pala. And later on, Namdang came. She prepared me for possible triumphs. She brought my talent on a national stage. She handled me well. And she finally taught me the right and proper way of performing in front of great folks. Pero sige, si Sir Heart pa rin naman po ang final touch. Ang mga pakulot and everything yan. Siya po talaga yun. To my grade 1 advisor, Teacher Olin Acker, salamat po sa gabay at sa lahat ng mga itinuro mong panimula. Habang buhay ko po yung babaunin. The Teacher AJ Aman Latore, ang nakapagparanas po sa akin ng kauna-unahan kong POD. Peace, Ma'am Apple. Because of that, I've learned how to become accountable. I have learned to own my mistakes and make bawi from all of them. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you po for teaching me how to be good. Fast forward to my grade 6 days. Hi, Sir Pogi. I miss you na. Thank you for being our tropa, our kuya, and our father. All in one. I am very lucky to have to cross paths with you. I love you, Sir EA. This one is for you. Special thanks to my grade 10 teachers, especially to Ma'am Zarlene, Ma'am Majoy, and my Arceliana mother, Ma'am Marlene Vargas. All of you have become the substance of what I can do. All of you have equipped me to face endless possibilities. But even so, nevertheless, I am nothing without my strength. To my joy, to my family, Uno, Denise, and my Leila. Ate will never stop pushing herself. I will never stop striving. Because I believe that in doing so, the path to your dreams, your ambitions, and your goals will be a bit easier. I love all of you, and I want you guys to know that as long as Ate is here, you will always have someone who is immensely proud of you. To my Cedric, thank you. Thank you for always being there, for believing in me, and for understanding me. Thank you, my heart pleaser. I got your back no matter what. To my Nanay Brenda, Mama Josie, and Tatay Nestor, lahat po ng award at lahat ng parangal na natatanggap ko ay para sa inyo. Hindi po ako papayag na hindi ako makahon dahil tutuparin ko ang pangako kong bigyan kayo ng masarap, magaan at mayamang buhay. To Oka, Anglo, and Flores families, thank you po for your never-ending support. Here's to my speech coach, my communication arts mentor, my idol, and my magandang ninang. Hi, Ninang Min. I want to thank you for training me every step of the way. Thank you for introducing me to the beauty of literature, poems, short stories, declamation acts, and oratorical pieces. You are not just my mentor alone. You are my idol in all aspects of life. Thank you for everything, Nina. babawi po ako sa'yo. To my parent by heart, my mentor, and my forever guardian. Hi, and congratulations to us, my dear Sir Harold Pintano. Finally, after years of crying and kaartihang pagkikwento ko sa'yo about my life, after moments of being down, and after having that feeling of giving up, I finally made it. We made it, Coach. I can never thank you enough for all of the trust, your guidance, your endless support, and your love. Here's to more success, winnings, and crowns with you. To my mommy and daddy, hindi ko po alam kung gaano kahirap ang mga pinagdaanan niyo mabigay lang ang pangangailangan namin. And I hope that this award, this momentous chance of being able to thank both of you will make your heart light and happy. Para po sa inyo to. Kayo ang tunay na valedictorian sa buhay naming magkakapatid. People, I may not have all the riches in life, but I am certain that I am the most blessed because I have the best and the most loving parent a child can ever have. I love you both. Hello? And to further leave a reminder to everyone, I'd like to say that when time comes, don't be afraid to fail. Don't be scared of getting hurt or of losing yourself in the process and unbecoming everything that isn't really you. Because maybe it is life making its way for you to meet the person that you were really meant to become. Graduates, my fellow Sepizenos, we are now ending a significant period in our lives. Pero minsan, hindi naman talaga malungkot ang wakas. Dahil madalas, nagtatapos ang kwento para makapagsimula ka ulit ng panibago. O dahil baka ito na yung pagkakataon para kunin ang mga medalya ninyo at itaas kasama ang diploma mo at sabihin sa sarili mong, finally, graduate na ako. At nanay, tatay, mama, papa, mommy, daddy, Muji, Fuji, lolo, lola, tito at tita at sa lahat ng gumabay sa atin sa pagtahak ng landas na ito para sa inyo pong lahat ng ito. Congratulations, Seven Senior High School Batch 2023 to 2024. Humayo tayo, mangarap at patuloy na lumaban. Padayon, Dreamers.
Thank you so much once again, Miss Brianna Oka. And now,